Hey guys, welcome to the very first episode of You Can Do It Too. On this series, I'm just going to teach you guys a couple quick tricks, fixes, things that you can use for your everyday life. This way you can save some money. You don't want to pay contractors and electricians and plumbers to do things that you could do really easily yourself. And same with cooking. You could make your own good food, you could save it, and you could have food all throughout the week instead of going and spending on all this expensive takeout. Other things like gardening, growing your own food, I'll teach you some cool tricks and some cool things you can build to make your gardening easier as well. But in this, we're gonna learn a lot of cool things, a lot of cool facts. And first, I wanna teach you guys how to do something simple, but you may not know how to do it. So, let's change a doorknob. Now, changing a door handle is one of the easiest things that you could try to do yourself. It's very, very simple. You see, on this door handle, this happens to be one with a handle instead of a knob. But all you have to do to take this door handle off is one screw on this side and one screw on this side. And you just pull those two screws out and you can disassemble this handle. So let's go ahead and do that. And here we go. I've got my drill. I like to use a drill, it's a little bit faster, but you can use a Phillips head screwdriver if you don't have a drill. So just go ahead and take this off. Soon you have to turn the handle to get it out. Oh, and always make sure your door's open, because it's kind of a pain. You can get it open with the handle off, but it's a little bit harder. Now I've got one screw out. Second screw is out now. And all you do is pull this straight out. Now, as you can see, this has a specific shape to it. You see how it's a half moon shape? That is how you know which direction to put your handle in when you go to put your new handle on. So now that I have one handle off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the other side off. And that just slides right out. Just like that. Now, after you've got both handles off, there actually is two more screws you have to pull out. But these are really small and really simple to pull out. You just open your door up right here, and you see 1 and 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. Once you pull those out, oh, there we go. This piece should just slide straight up, just like that. Now, let's get our new doorknob, and we'll slam that on real quick. All right, I've got my new knob. I'm gonna put a knob instead of a handle, because I like the knob a little better. And I've got my latch. So, first thing you wanna do is get that latch in there. Make sure, you see how this has a beveled side? You wanna make sure that that side is facing the direction that your door is gonna close in. So whenever your door closes against the frame, it slides up, like that, and pushes this piece down so that it can pop into the hole. Now, you just get that piece in there. And you get your screws, the little screws. You just screw them straight back in the hole. Now that we have this piece in, we're gonna go ahead and put our outside knob on. And this is the outside because the key is going to face towards the outside so that you can unlock your house. All right, let's go ahead and stick this in here. You just line it up, make sure the half moon is facing the same way as the half moon in your latch. It's very self-explanatory. You'll see what I mean if you go to do this yourself. Now, then you get your other knob. And once again, you see that half moon inside of there? Right here along this edge? You want to face that the same way as the half moon on here. Now we have our knob together. And the last thing to do is just put those screws back in. Got, once again, 1, 2 screws. All right. Sometimes these can be a little bit tricky to find the hole. So what I like to do is pull the knob out just a tad and work the screw around in there until you find the other side. Just like that. And let's do the other side now. An easy way to tell if you're hitting the threads on the inside is if the screw doesn't go all the way in. If the screw goes all the way in, you're missing it. Voila, you've got a door handle. Okay. Just as easy as that. Now, let's get on to the garden.